Hello everyone, welcome you to our channels, Chima the Educator. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to send and receive Bitcoin using your wallet. I'm going to use the Coinbase in this video. There are actually so many uh, Bitcoin wallets you can use. We have the blockchain there. But so many of them, the Luno, some of them are just mobile apps. How the password, so many of them, Binance, many of them. But I'm using Coinbase in this particular tutorial. For some time now, I've been, preparing videos on Chimo for most of the people that are on Chimo. Since we have recent developments, I've been, sharing videos on that. And recently, Chimo announced they can only pay through Bitcoin. So it becomes so necessary for us as well to talk about it so as to help the Chimo members who may not know how to do these things. But beyond that, I need to tell you, even if you're a member of Chimo, please don't just stop at Chimo when it comes to knowing about Bitcoin. It's very important. Bitcoin is already a digital currency, so it's something that in almost everything you do, you need to know what to do about it. So it's not just about Chimo, but you and the digital revolution we are in today. So that is it. It's a practical video, and we're going to move on. Do not forget to subscribe to our video channels. This is Chima Educator. We prepare videos on education technology and money, online business, on management of financial accounting, so many things. Anything that has to do with educating you to know things you have to know. So try to subscribe to this channel and like this video, make your comments, and do not forget to share with your friends. You can as well go further to meet us and reach out to us through our WhatsApp number. Make sure you do that. So we're going to quickly go now to our Bitcoin page. So this is my Coinbase dashboard. So once you're on the Coinbase, definitely you're going to see this button, send and receive button. Now remember I told you I'm using Coinbase. But the truth is, whatever wallet you're using, you're going to see something like this, send receive button. All you need to do is try to locate how to get it. Now, how do you send Bitcoin? You want to send Bitcoin to someone. For some of us who are in Chimo, you want to buy something from Chimo, like a point, activation point, or chip point, or consumption point. Definitely, you're going to send, once you go through the process of recharging, they will bring out their Bitcoin wallet address to you. So how do you send them the Bitcoin? See how it goes. You click on send here. It could be that you're sending to someone who bought from you. Someone says, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin from you. Then what do I do? You collect the person's money, or however you agree. Maybe you send the Bitcoin first, the person sends you the money, or the other way around. Once you do that, all you need to send to that person is getting that person's wallet address. It's very important. So once you've done that, you come here. Now, if you look at this, this is dollar, this is Bitcoin. Once you want to send Bitcoin to someone, it could be, the amount could be in a Bitcoin format or a dollar format. Let's assume now, someone you will need to send to someone exactly $20. Now, you're going to use this dollar column. Now, when you type this $20, the exact equivalent of this $20 shows in Bitcoin. It's no longer your business. Whatever that $20 at the current Bitcoin rate shows. But sometimes the person you are sending to is not interested in the $20. He asks you to send the exact number of Bitcoin, a particular number of Bitcoin. It could be something like this. So in that case, you don't go here to type. Imagine you want to recharge something from Chimo, and the amount you want to buy from them, they give you in Bitcoin form 0.0016 and all that. You won't come here and be typing that. No. We're going to destroy everything. So you click on Bitcoin, that's BTC, and type that. So in this case, it could be, let's say 0.004. Let me assume that's what I want to send. Now you're going to see this 0.004. What does it stand for? As its equivalent in look at it. So this is it. Now, but do you know why it's not resisting? I'm just showing this because I don't have enough of that amount. So it's trying to show me that you don't have enough of this. So, but look at it. So once you put here, then what next you do? You go here. Where you here, enter email or address, you enter that wallet address of the receiver. You put it there. This optional message is not too important. Leave it. Bitcoin wallet is here. Then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, the system may still tell you there's a little charge in addition to this, which is so small. You agree with it, you send it, immediately has gone. And once it has gone, it's going to have what we call a transaction hash code. In case of, someone say, I didn't receive and I received, that's what you use to monitor what has happened. This is how to send, Bitcoin to someone. Remember what I told you? You can send it as either USD, that's a certain amount in dollar, or as Bitcoin. In whichever case, it depends on what the other fellow wants. Now, what about receiving? Now it's here already. If you want to receive, how do you receive? Chimo says, we're paying you in Bitcoin. So this how receiving means you're going to copy, just like someone said, I want to send money to you. I want to receive money. So you need to get your bank account number. So this is your wallet address. Now you come here. Once you do this, you've copied this. You've copied it. It's already copied. Now, when you take this, having copied it, anywhere you go to place it, you want to receive. So once you do this, now you copy and send to someone. Once you send it to the person, will use that same wallet address and send to you, following the process we have just shown you before. But apart from that, there's another way. There's another way, though it's an advanced way. There's another way you can copy. It's not every wallet that has it. Blockchain has it and some other ones where they give you access to copy a link that has to do with your wallet address. Once you send that link, whoever that follow that link will still get to transfer money to you. But it may have problems. So the simplest way is to simply just give the man or the woman your address. The same way you receive someone's address and you send money to him or her, the same way you do here, simply send your address. The man sends you money, the Bitcoin. And once it's successful over there, definitely in question of 2 or 3 days, because of sometimes the traffic, there's traffic, the kind of transaction that takes place on the blockchain route every day is so much. So sometimes it can delay up to 3 days before it finally gets you, because there'll be a lot of confirmations 3 times or more, as the case may be. So that's all it takes to send or receive Bitcoin from someone using your Coinbase wallet. Once again, like I told you, do not forget to subscribe to our channels. We are building something great here. We are building our website, a blog site where we'll teach more. And like I told you, it's not all about Chimo, Bitcoin. We are here for many, making business on all that. So subscribe to our channel and believe that you're going to gain in the long run. All we are posting for now are free materials you need to learn from. Do not as well forget to hit the notification button so that once we release any new video, you'll be the first to lay hold on it. I stop here for the moment. Thank you, and thank you for your time. Thank you.